back to my YouTube channel, Shreya side. I hope you all are doing very great, guys. And first of all, I want to say sorry to all of you over there. I have not been posting videos since last week, guys. I really apologize for that. Actually, I have been traveling, so I cannot shoot the video. Second of all, when I came back home, I fall sick, so due to all such reasons, don't take them as excuses, guys. I'm really sorry, but yeah, now I'm back. I'm at home and I'm with you all, in front of you all. So I want to tell you, I want to say sorry. I wanted to mention that don't worry, now there will be very regular videos in my channel as usual. So don't go anywhere, keep tuned with this channel. And so let us see what we have in budget for today. So today I'm having again an unboxing video, guys. This is a very short unboxing. It is not a huge haul, but this is simply an unboxing, and the products inside this box are from the brand Bodycupid. I purchased this from the official website of Bodycupid. It is a very good brand. It is slightly affordable, luxurious brand, I would say. Yeah, I'm saying it affordable, luxurious because the products are very luxurious. They're not easily affordable. I cannot say they are very budget friendly. They are not, guys. But yeah, they are good. Means according to the reviews which I have read about them, they are very good, known to be. But this is for the first time I'm gonna use their products, so let us see how they are. I don't know why they have sent me this in the wow box. Key products to sare Bodycupid ke. Maybe they both have same brand partnership or something as such. So the products, there are two products inside this. One is the Bodycupid chocolate body scrub, and the second is Bodycupid citrus love body butter, and the amount of both the products together is 679, guys. These both products were on a good discount. I don't know how much discount was there, but there was a discount. That's why I got both this product for rupees 679. This is how they are packed in this brown box. And now we are just gonna unbox this and see how the products are there inside. Sorry for the sound of this box, guys. I'm really sorry. So yeah, this is how they are packed again inside the bubble sheets, like this. So yeah, here I'm having two products. So I'm very happy, guys, because look at this. Look at the volume of this product. Means they are so much, they last you quite very long and amazing. So first of all, talking about this body scrub, this is Bodycupid body and bath luxury chocolate body scrub, paraben free, sulfate free with peppermint essential oil, जिसके net volume है वो है 200 ml. This is for 200 ml, guys. Look at this, it is so luxurious. इसकी packing है वो बहुत ही luxurious लग रही है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लग रही है, guys. And the amount of this is, I don't know why I cannot get the amount of this, because इसकी जो amount है वो इसमें से मिट चुका है. But yeah, it's for 499. So this is for 500 rupees, guys. Look at this. I mean, this single product is for rupees 499. 500 रुपए का एक ही product है, और मुझे यहाँ ये दोनों product 679 के मिले. That means I got them in a quite good discount. Let me just set my camera so that you people can clearly see. So this is how its packaging is. It's so luxurious, very beautiful, very easy to even carry if you want to carry along with you. Now the best part of this is, guys, that it is paraben free, sulfate free, because as we have to use this on our body, so it must be free from all the harmful toxins and all the harmful chemicals which might just be very harmful for our skin. So that is something very good about this, guys. This is just an unboxing video. I'm surely going to bring a very quick how to use and a review video on these two products. So for now, this is the only unboxing. Wait, stay tuned with my channel. There's gonna come how to use these products and about the review and how they just worked out for my skin according to me. So we will surely get to know this, guys. Body scrub is something very important, whether it's winter, whether it's summer. Your body scrub is essential because you need to just remove out the excess oil. You need to remove out the dead cells, the upper skin of your body which is completely dead, especially from tanning and stuff. So yeah, in order to peel it off, you need a good body scrub. Let us see how this comes out to be. Wait for the second video. Moving on to the second product, guys. This is again very luxurious. I mean, look at this packaging. It is so beautiful. This is citrus love body butter, paraben free with essential oil, mineral oil free. So very good for skin. Again, 250 ml is for amount 1099. 1099 ka body butter. I got again these two products for 679. Such a steal deal for me, guys. And I even ordered this from the official website. So if you want to purchase, go to their official website. You will definitely get a very good discount. But yeah, there was something like that you have to purchase two and more product if you want to get a discount. So you cannot get discount for a single product. You have to purchase at least two product if you want to, you know, get a discount. I ordered like three products. I ordered a body butter, I ordered this body scrub, even I ordered a aloe vera gel, but I have not yet received it. I think I will receive it later separately, so that's why it cannot be the part of this video. So let us see for the time being that we have in our bucket for the moment. Okay, this says it is citrus love body butter. This is something, guys, I know आप लोग सोच रहे हैं कि why she's showing, you know, body butter, it's summer going on, but the basic reason is because this is citrus love, means it is having, you know, that citrus fruity smell and flavor, and that is very good for summer, especially for your tan peeling and stuff. So that's why I ordered this. Again, guys, a very good purchase, a very good volume and stuff. Let me just take off the plastic sheet from this and let's just open it and see how it is actually. Okay, I'll even have to take off this aluminium, this sheet and stuff. I think I should not peel it off right now. I think I should wait for the review video and then I'll show you all people the use of this too, and their you know, review how it's gonna work. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you all like this video. Do share, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and stay tuned with my channel. Love you all, guys. I really love you all, and keep coming back to my channel. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, guys.